洗头发是吧？这边吧。你好。
你好。你好。
进去吧。Guys, we're in the hair washing room that they're gonna wash my hair, but also they're gonna give me a massage, and it's just gonna be so relaxing. So let's start.
就是会说话。
What camera? What camera?
Camera. My camera.
I see it trailing all too fast, but I'm not leaving. And you go round and round and round, and you cannot see. I'll be right behind you, hawking the tree. You look so beautiful today, and how the game is changing. Just like a stranger suddenly.
Hello, hello.
Hello.
This boy is very like speak English.
Really? 你可以上英语吗？你可以上英语吗？
你可以上英语班，你可以上学习英语。
英语老好。
You speak Chinese is very good.
一点点，谢谢你。
哎，我感中文讲得很好。Hello, he's your question. You live Shanghai.
Just like a stranger trying to let you in.
Alright. Hello. Hello. Where? Ah, there. Just gonna clean my ear. I've never seen this anywhere around the world. Oh my god. It's so weird. Like I hear weird noises that it makes in my ear. It actually feels good. Oh, kind of good. It feels really interesting, guys. Like somebody cleans your ear for you, but using different tools. Is your hairdresser cleaning your ear as well? In China, outside China? I've never seen it anywhere. Oh yeah, let's start again. Oh yeah, yeah. It's so weird. Oh, let me show it to you. I don't know if it's gonna see though.
block.
There's also putting this in the ear.
block.
They're so weird, but it's just such nice tools. I should get it at home too. I am a blogger.
I am a blogger.
Oh no!
Oh, see.
Look what's showing.
哎，这个给你。哎，这个。
谢谢。
Blogger.
blogger 啊。
我先给你试的吧。
博客作者。
博客作者。
耶，博客作者。
啥呀？
他是一个博客作者。
对。
博客。就是
微博
网上不是微博嘛？
微博。
哎，懂了。
不让。
Thank you.
You're welcome. 不客气。
哎呦 ，You speak Chinese very very good. 哎呦，
弟弟，
快去洗回去。
very good.
你的英语很好，
啊，英语不行。
我先去洗了，下次再聊。
谢谢谢谢。
很好很好。
啊，他说我英语很好。Thank you.
You're welcome. 你是上海人吗？
Yeah， 我是上海人。
啊，很好。
也
哦，对不起，谢谢。
不客气。
OK
啊。
很好。
谢谢 ，Thank you。你跟他讲英语，讲。
谢谢你。什么名字？你叫什么名字？
英语名字叫什么？
英语 Grace。
Yeah，Grace。
Nice meeting you。
你讲个英语的故事给他听。
很高兴认识你。
啊，好了，好，你讲个英语故事给他听，待会儿你讲个小故事给他听啊，讲个故事啊，讲故事，你不是会讲的吗？娜娜，你不是会讲的吗？给他听，我们给他听，讲个故事，英语故事给他听。来，你讲个英语故事好吧？
Before drying the hair, they're giving a massage. It's really good. It's really strong. Oh my, I'm broken. They're really good actually because it really takes off the stress off you. And you feel really great and you just want this massage to keep going on and on and on.
88.
88.
88.
Yes, I live over there.
Ah.
Yeah, you?
99.
Ah, over there. Cool. We're neighbors.
可以吗？
很好，谢谢你。
不客气。
哦，你放这里。
Bye bye. I'll see you later. Nice to meet you. 你好。Now he's gonna dry my hair and then gonna dry blowing and straighten my hair. So guys, here in China, hair salons are not only for women or men. They're not separate hair salons for men and women. Men and women can go to the same hair salon. So while you're sitting getting your hair done, a man can sit over here. So it's just completely normal. And in hair salons, they don't do nails and they don't do manicures, pedicures, waxing, eyelashes. There are different places for that, and those places don't do hair. So Those places are dedicated for nail art, manicures, pedicures, eyelashes, waxing. Here it's mostly hair and massage kind of. So here he did dry blowing, but it's not enough for my hair because Shanghai is really humid. So the next day my hair gets really big and humid, and I don't like that really. So that's why generally, they do it by themselves. They like the second part is like, putting and straightening it by using this thing. But today I had to ask because he doesn't really know me. The other guys know me better. The other guys know what I want better. So I had to tell him what I want. So yeah. And prices here in all hair salons, massage places, manicure, pedicure places, you have a package, you have a VIP card. In that VIP card, you put money into it. 3,000, 5,000, 6,000, depending on the time that you're going to be here in China and depending on their package, of course. So with that money being put in, then this is just going to be easier for you because every little thing that you're going to get is going to be cheaper based on compared to any individual, hey, I'll just stop by, can you do this to my hair? Not like this. So with the card, it's going to be cheaper. So here, guys, they have like a package programs. They give you a list and they want you to pick which one you would like to go with. And this type of packaging depends on how experienced the hairdressers are. So if they're really experienced, then the price goes up. If they're just, entry level, if they just started the job with minimum experience, then it's going to be cheaper. So this guy is a supervisor and I paid 78 RMB. So that is pretty cool. I don't get my hair dyed here because it's really expensive here. Even if dyeing the roots is just this little, they charge for like 1,000 RMB. I'm like, the first time I heard, I got really, I'm like, that's just insane. So I got my hair dyed in a different hair salon that I'm going to be shooting a video about it in a different video, in a different part, in a different time. When you walk into a hairdresser and you sit down, they bring you snacks like this and candies, and they also give you a glass of water, a cup of water. It's generally warm unless you want a bit colder, and it is with lemon in it, so that's pretty cool. What do you think about the whole hairdresser experience, guys? Did you like it? Take a second and subscribe to my channel and hit that little bell next to the subscribe button so that you can get notified whenever I upload a video. And please like the video and comment, and let's see how your experience let's see how your experience in a hairdresser in China is, or maybe around the world. So let's talk about it a bit. What's your worst experience in a hairdresser? Like, I'm kind of really curious about this horror stories that happen in hairdressers because it's your hair, So, put it down in the comments below, guys. So let's hear about the experiences that you had bad, and hopefully it's not going to happen to anyone else. So the worst thing that happened to me in a hairdresser in China was like, it wasn't really bad, but so I had a very long hair, longer than that, and I went to the hairdresser. Back then I was living in a different place, so and that hairdresser was in a lane house. So I showed him the picture exactly what I wanted and how I want my hair to be cut and to be shaped, to be styled. So he did everything, And my hair looked like the first ladies of the 1960s presidents of the United States. I'm like it was like so giant volume, and I couldn't really put it anywhere. So I didn't really enjoy that, but you can't really say anything after what's done is done, right? So yeah. But then later on I liked that. So it wasn't really bad, but there's some experiences that experts have where they want to dye their hair, they want it to be kind of like blondie, but then their hair turns from yellow to green. So we're gonna be talking about these kind of stuff in another video. What do you think about my hair, guys? Did you like it?
爱是这个，可是这个。
这图很好看，
对，很好看，
真的很好看。
真的很好看。你打招呼。哎，没有，你拍拍照，你打招呼，你说你好。
你好，
你好，你很漂亮，
一块漂亮，
漂亮，你也漂亮，你也漂亮。
Bye bye.
拜拜。
We're gonna be paying from my phone. We're not gonna be using card or cash. So bye bye. Bye bye. I hope everyone is having a great time today. I'm getting closer to my apartment, so I'll better go now. I'll see you in the next video, guys.